Come on, Bakugo! Let's go! Huh? This is really going beyond. Okay, so on to episode 4 of season 8 of My Hero Academia. Man, last episode was the banger of all bangers. Like, episode of the year, man. The soundtrack, the action, the scenery, got everything, the feelings. Over the top, and I wonder if this one can top it up, but hey, let's see how we get it off all for one. Alright, we're almost there, just for him to rewind and get out of our faces. I wonder how long that's gonna take, but I'm expecting maybe this episode or next one. But hey, let's see. Bakugo is taking point right now. Let's see how long this takes. Please don't forget to like and subscribe button. So with that, let's dive right in. Onegaishimasu. Okay. What that looks like 2 pair of butt cheeks. Let's look at this. Looks like 2 pair of butt cheeks and squished boobs. Oh my god, what the hell? Who's this? Is this all for one? Who's backstory now? Yikes. She's pregnant. It spikes on her arm, gosh. Is this infant all for what the hell? Alright, I wasn't expecting the episode to start like this though, with how they ended last one. Quick explosion. Okay. Oh, yeah. Getting from the Genesis again.
第二次成長前後でも後天的に発現することから、未知の病食べていた研究グループは異能を人から枝分かれした新たなる遺伝子と発表した。これはあまりに無神経で早計だった。脳を持つ者と持たざる者。群生生命を決定的に分かつその発表はその後の混沌を加速させた。
I'm sure the ones with Quirk will be feeling high and mighty.
コンビナート方面で異能の連中が結集し始めた。昨夜デモ隊が衝突した奴らでな。連中が決起する前に叩くぞ。
Then what? All for One united them all under a single umbrella. Yikes, that's him. Oh my god. How to he looks cute in an evil way. Okay, he looks creepy here. For what? Oh my goodness. Right from birth. Oh god. 2 babies.
ただただ疑問だった。
Yeah, well, that is creepy. Oh my god. So right from fancy, like you can imagine, a menace from the get-go. Nah, this one even locking him up won't do. It needs to be totally. That's his brother.
母親から与えられるはずの栄養をほとんど兄に奪われたので、弟はとても小さく脆弱だった。
I am shocked by this man.
何も与えない存在だったが、手に持っていたものなので、兄は弟を決して手放そうとしなかった。
Yes, using him as a football anytime he feels like. He's constantly stained with blood, right?
僕に黙って何を読んでる？
文字の勉強中で難しい本は読めないんだけど、すごいよ、このコミックって本。絵で読めるんだ。書いた人の願いが 絵で伝わってくる。ヒーロー。
Chai.
僕もいつかこんな風になりたいな。
Captain Hero.
兄さんも読んでみる。
I don't think he's gonna like that question. I ain't seen the look on his face at all.
弟はまだ兄を諦めきれなかった。かすかに覚えているあの手を兄の優しさだと信じたかった。
あいつの審判がとうとう1000万人を超えたんだってさ。
兄さん。
Wow.
欲しいよな。だってあれは戸籍登録が一番早かったってだけで、インドなんかじゃその2週間前には50人は異能が生まれてたって話だぜ。
Guys, glowing and just descending.
話したい。そんなので人を集められるなんてさ。
Wow.
だから殺して奪ってやった。
なんで？
だってあのコミックに書かれていたろ。ワン・フォー・オール・フォー・ワン。
So that's where the idea came from.
ヒーローは正体を隠して孤独に戦っていたけれど、悪の魔王はみんなが恐怖して全てを差し出すんだ。
And that's the path he chose to take.
お前がそうであるように、みんなが僕のためだけに存在する世界。僕にも夢ができた。
Yeah, totally needed to be taken out.
なぜ抗うんだ。
I'm surprised he put up with him that long.
愚かで可愛い。
That is his younger brother.
世界が混乱の最中にある。異能は
And he grew up to look so handsome, but yet so crazy,
あんたは自分
insanely
を満たすことしか考え
correct
て
in
な
the
い。
head.
異能を持たずに生まれたばっかりに力がなければ通せる道理
No
も
one
な
will
い。
take you seriously when you're powerless, and that's true.
夢は現実になった。現実は定石通りにいかない。お前が僕に屈しない現実を僕が塗り替える。お前が
Okay.
大切だ。
So at this moment, he gave him a quick also.
痩せ細ったお前にも使いやすい異能を見つけたんだ。今からお前に与えてあげよう。
Without knowing to come back to hunt him.
良い地だ。僕に一番最初に与えられたものだからそう名付けた。
Yoichi. That's the other inheritors of One for All. It's the second one also.
待て、なぜ言ってしまうんだ。力を与えてやったじゃないか。
Seems you misread
お
him.
前は離れろ。僕のだ。僕を見ていろ。僕のものにならないなら。
Just wants to wreck everything that doesn't submit to him. Ah!
弟を奪った青年と目が合う。
Then
彼の眼球は生まれつき薄膜が張ったように艶がないので、この瞳に青年が映り込むことはな
you
かっ
guys, you guys insane. That's not a way to put it.
人から奪ったもの、隷属させるために奪ったものはいらないと拒み続けた余市に無理やり与えた力。余市に異能がないのは僕の力で確認している。自我も芽生えぬ頃に奪ったかと思っていたが、僕の異能がそれを因子だと認識できぬほどに小さく、機能しないゴミが検査で見つかった。形成時の栄養不足によって形にならなかった因子のようなもの、まさか動いたのか。
リーダー、あの敗戦の時、オール・フォー・ワンには触られてないんだよな。しつこいな、ブルース。
Bruce.
結果だけ伝えろ。
This is the
あ
alert.
の日以降、全身に違和感。体の中に因子が2つある。
Whoa, okay, had a quick plus the younger brother's quick.
出来損ないのような小さい。
Oh, that's in this malform.
なんとなく
They want to be cultivated. One for
与
all.
えた異能が消えたのは足りない部分を補うために取り込み奪った。
僕は兄さんを止められなかった。
Okay, did the
兄
recording.
さんは僕を生かしてくれた。人がおもちゃやゲームにしか見えてない。もしほんの少しでも人を思いやれていたら、
俺の中に余一の意志が。
まだあるのか。
少しでも人を思いやれていたら。
Not knowing that he has been like that right from infance. I think he knows. He has been with him since though.
優しい力になったかもしれないのに。
If only.
涙を出せば狼狽させられるから出した。嫌がることと望んでいることを操り、貶め、そうやって手中に収めてきた。
Try.
なのにお前は僕の思い通りにならない。ただ欲しいだけなのに。
To the next person.
追っても僕の手からすり抜けていく。ああ、そうだ。
お前のせいだ。
Okay, here we go. Back to reality. Back to the present, rather.
それだけじゃない。奴に近しかった女も子供も疑わしきはすべて。
Guys, vile as hell.
ならばあの時何か感じるものがあったはずだ。目があの時はまだその目じゃなかった。ただの空にだ。だが今確かにあの男に似た意志が。
I wonder if they actually did that or just the intense pressure is getting.
アップで強制あの男に似た意志が僕を阻んでい
Okay,
る
from
の
the
だ。
first time on space. Okay.
ワープで強制的に引き剥がそうにも転送可能ポイントはすぐ近くのオールマイトか小村の位置しかない。
Which is he gonna choose? He's going to try to misdirect him, but
体を小さくするわけにはいかない。
I think he's going to go towards All Might side.
彼はすでに僕を拒否しているのだ。
So the next option is All Might.
必死。用途を成立させるため余力を残しておかねばならないと思っていたが。
Oh, he's going all out now.
もういい。お前を殺すのも。
Oh my goodness, look at this.
何もかも一括だ。
Whoa. Alright.
全員
Omnifactor Unleash. Oh, this looks creepy.
全ては一つの目的の
Make everything yours.
おしとだ。
Wow, man, look at the animation of this now. Jeez. But it's to accelerate his decline. Yeah. Man. Okay, Bakugo, what do you do now? Can you blow everything away? Oof, man, this is so crazy also. No wonder the episode is called Explosion. Let's see what's gonna do now. Come on, Bakugo, ready? He's coming. Whoa! Yeah, look at this. Come on, Bakugo! Let's go! Huh? Looks like he has his nitroglycerin on him also. He seems to have attached his explosive stuff. Whoa! Yeah. Wow. Wow. Yes, this time. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Man. So that's just his head in the same way. I'm telling you. It depends on how you use it.
ダメージを負うと若返っていく。わかるな。ダメージで力が乱れた。これは。
Oh, no, it's not. For what? It's not. Impactor! Come on! It has been so long we had that. Jeez. Okay, that was a big bang. Bakugo! Come on. Just last a bit longer. Man, this is really going beyond. Wow. Yes! God, the animation of this is over the top.
活動がうまくいかない。
Uh,
こんな爆破ごときで崩れるなどありえん。体が幼く脆くなったせいか。
感情に振り回されて支配権が弱まってんすよ。
okay.
だから俺のファンミ解除にされちゃうわけですわ。ねえ、
Oh my goodness.
血がらきに飲まれたね。
Oh, it went the other way around. Oh my god! Finally! Okay, one more. With everything you got. Saigoda! No, it's not your story. Please shift. Tell him, it's not.
そうじゃなかったんだ。
Come on! Na, 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 na.
この体も
Hey, take that, take
繋い
that.
でもらった命を
Da, 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 da. Hey, let's go! Da, 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 da. Oh, this is our story! Tell him! Da, 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 da. Whoa, ho, ho. Come on, that's how you do it, man. Uh-huh. This episode have been over the top.
できたダメージと色と違う。
Yeah, I've been chipping away at him since.
ついに
God.
俺フォーワン今度こそ
Wow, man, Bakugo.
俺一人
That was amazing.
当てるわけねえんだよ。あと少し進むだけだ。
Nope.
僕
Somebody come find him there.
弔に譲渡するんだ。生まれたであろう向こうの僕を強化し、最強の心と体を再び支配する。
Yeah, I'm not gonna let you. I don't even think Tomura is going to let you.
向こうの僕はあのカードを切ることなくやられたに違いない。村を支配できればワン・フォー・オールを奪える。ヨイチ、お前がいなきゃダメなんだよ。ヨイチ、僕は何ずっと見ていてほしいんだ。
Ah!
少し
Oh my god. Okay, I'm kind of feeling pity for him, but man, not after everything is done, like right from inception till now.
寒い。力が入んねえ。
Hey, Bakugo.
どけ。もう言葉すら失ってる。
Ah,
生まれたてだ。大丈夫だ。
oh, man.
手おいても消える。
倒れねえってのはクソ強えだろ。
Whoa!
完全に勝たねえと。
Blew his head apart! Whoa! Dodge! What the heck? Even as a fucking toddler! Oh, okay, he got it smart. Even at this point, well, blow him apart, please.
嫌だ。自分に支配されていたんだ。こんなの僕じゃない。
Man. They're giving us his baby translation. Oh my god.
奪
Oh
わ
my
れた
god.
因子が持ち主の元へ戻るなんてサービス
Wow. Back to a single leg and vanished off. Nice, Bakugo. Did it. Kata!
オールマイトのスタンディングしたかったのに。
Dun 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 dun. You did it, man. Hi. Midoriya. It's all on you now. Wow. Okay, what an episode. Truly explosion and explosive. Oh my god, Bakugo. Big props to you. Although it was the effort of everyone that had chipped away at all for one. Finally, after so long, it's finally gone. Jeez, even as a toddler, he's still a menace. He was a menace from inception up until now. Even as he's about to go as a toddler, he's still a menace. Like, what the heck? What the heck? How do you put up with that? Man, Yoichi really tried though. Gosh. But, well, I wouldn't blame him. What could he have done to All for One when the guy literally just took everything for himself and was just a menace, slaying everyone at every turn. Whoever defies him just takes them out, like just like that. I mean, from his own mom, like, that's really crazy as a suckling toddler. Like, that's even the most crazy of them all. Like, anyway, God, what an episode, man. So the baton is over to Midoriya for us to find a way to take out Shigaraki. I wonder how we're gonna do that because, man, dude is not being affected by anything. Let's see how it goes, man. God, it's been so long, man. Jeez, can't believe I got to this point. The all for one is no more. Wow, we've come a long way with the show, and yeah, we're almost about calling it wraps. Let's just see how the next couple of episodes are gonna be and how we deal with Shigaraki. I'll not tell me your thoughts in the comments, man. And for Bakugo Omedeto, as he said, it is our monogatari. Yes, not just his. Not even that all for one, please. I'll leave that out. Tell me your thoughts in the comments, okay? Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.